So right now it is 4:20 a.m. I woke up at around 2:30. I think it's because there were a lot of people getting ready to sleep, so that could have woke me up. But ever since, I couldn't go back to sleep. Also, I did take a 2-hour nap before and slept pretty early, so I did get my 7 hours of sleep. Maybe that's why. Maybe it's also jet lag. I couldn't fall asleep, so I came to a common area. I just sent my immigration stamp to FEIC Thailand. So I used FEIC Thailand company to register my drone, and they'll pretty much deal with all the paperwork and stuff. I just need to provide with my drone information, the controller, and the stamp for immigration to Thailand. So I did that. I might also just do some editing as well. I got super hungry, so I came to 7-Eleven to get some food. I kind of want to try these chips. I'm gonna try this coffee. But I also want actual food. I'm gonna get this. Oh, there's so many shops. I think I want to buy something, but I still don't know what. Maybe these jewelry. Oh my god, little fall. The water is pretty high. When were they taking the picture? There are so many souvenirs. Kinda want food actually. I think I want to get some kind of food.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so jam-packed.
I know. Oh, just a boat noodle.
That looks good. These are huge menus.
I know.
Boat noodles. Yeah. Maybe I'll try the same thing. But it comes with the noodles? Oh, okay. Oh, it's this?
Yeah, it's not boat noodles.
Oh, boat noodles? Oh. I think it might just be from the sauce, not the noodle.
I think this is like, I think yours has been made fresh down there. But I don't know where this came from. I'm like really paranoid about making food poisoning.
I know. That's the last thing you want.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
Have you gone to any temples?
Yeah, I went to the Emerald Temple yesterday with the Grand Palace. But that's the only one I've been so far.
Is that like inside the Grand Palace?
What are we making?
Pretty sure you guys have this, but it's gonna be mint. It's gonna be different kind of it, and the smell is gonna be different for sure. We use the same pan to cook krapao. But first we're gonna fry egg first. What are you sneezing? It means okay. You ready to put the meat in it? Krapao. เอาให้เขากินเขาไม่ได้ให้คนเดียวโอ้โห
So hot.
Like spicy hot or just hot?
No, like hot, temperature hot.
How is it?
It's good.
Yeah?
Right?
Too spicy?
No,
Or the right
it's not.
amount?
Right
Okay.
amount, yeah. Oh my god. Hi, so I just came to Bangkok. It is 4:20 in the morning. My hostel reception opens from 7 o'clock, so I have like 3 hours to kill. I just came to a random hostel that has a patio. I'm just sitting there. I think they have a 24-hour reception. So there's a receptionist there. I'm just like, hey, I'm gonna sit here for a while. I was trying to take a cab from the bus station to the hostel, and they were asking 350 baht, and I made sure to look at the price from Grab, and from Grab it was 114, and the cabs in person was asking 350, and the tuk-tuk was 250. I was like, what? That makes no sense. Why would I get into a cab with you when I can just order a Grab for 114? Like less than half the price. So I ordered a Grab. It was another taxi. I actually don't know if the app pays the driver well, but I don't know. For me, $114 or 114 baht versus 350 or 250, I'm gonna just go with the Grab, you know? So yeah, I'm just gonna chill for a few hours. I really need to go pee, but I don't know if that's gonna happen until my hostel reception opens. So today's itinerary is going to a couple of temples. I also want to check out Chinatown for lunch. And then I found this thing called Asian Teak. It's by the riverside. It's like, I don't know what to call it. There's a whole bunch of shops and restaurants around there, so I might check that out for dinner. If not, I might just go to Khao San Road for a quick look around. Wow, it's so pretty. What the heck? There's no way I can take a picture from somewhere.
Who do you teach?
I guess. Like,
Yeah, I'll just sort of like teaching them.
What is small bucket?
Yeah. So that's